Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Madison County in northwestern Virginia, southeastern Page County in northwestern Virginia, southern Rappahannock County in northwestern Virginia, north central Greene County in central Virginia, northwestern Culpeper County in northern Virginia, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles south of Sperryville, Oregon, 10 miles west of Culpeper, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Culpeper, Madison, Sperryville, Big Meadows, Brentwood, Castleton, Catalpa, Ida, Haywood, Syria, Banco, Rock Mills, Cordova, Rava, Leon, Boston, Krieglersville, Slate Mills, Vietnam.
How many cities are in this damn
thing? For your
thing?
protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.